Safety Break for Oregon is just around the corner. As you decide how to take part in the May 13th Safety Standdown, I want you to know we're here to help. Hello, I'm Roy Croker, Manager of Consultation and Public Education Section for Oregon OSHA. Our team of 35 consultants are just a phone call away. They specialize in workplace safety, health, and ergonomics, and they're available to conduct confidential evaluations of all or part of your work sites. They can help you identify hazards and provide solutions on how to eliminate or control those hazards. It's all about keeping your workers safe and your business investments sound. And here's the best part. It all comes to you at no cost. Last year, we conducted over 2,400 consultations for Oregon employers, and over 30,000 people used our free training services. If you've never called for help from one of our consultants or clicked on an online training course, I encourage you to give it a try. Help us promote safe and healthy workplaces by taking part in Safety Break for Oregon. Sign up today.